What's going on, Janet and Rox Roofing? My name's Keaton with Disio Media right here in Texas. So I first want to thank you guys for giving me the time to send this, or giving me the opportunity to send this over to you, and taking the time out of your day to give it a watch. So I'm gonna try to make this video short and sweet, but I got a lot of information into it. So hopefully I don't lose you. And if you got any questions, please feel free to ask. So getting right into it, let's talk about ranking on Google. Ranking for buyer intent keywords on Google. So the best place to get in front of your customers that are actively looking for your service is going to be Google. If someone types in roofing San Antonio, you want your website, your map listing listed up there at the top. Guide them to your website, and that way you can get them to click to call you, fill out their form, give their contact information so you can reach out. That's what we're going to be talking about right now. And getting right into it, the ranking factors that go into it on your website are going to be content is king. So everything from videos, photos, titles, text, everything on there, all your content. Google wants to see a lot of content, wants to see you being helpful and informative to your clients, and then providing that service, that they are currently looking for. So with that being said, you've got a great looking website. Smiling faces up there at the top definitely is a, kind of building that connection with them before you even talk to them. And then you've got those videos down here. So videos are key right now because nobody likes to read a terms of service agreement or feel like they're reading terms of service agreement. So you've got a really good looking website, but let's talk about getting some of these buyer intent keywords on your website and ranking for them. So I have plugged your website to Site Explorer right here on Ahrefs. So what we're looking at right now is just an overview of your website. We got how many backlinks you got, how many referring domains, the organic keywords you're ranking for, and that monthly traffic. So you had about 98 people visit your website without having to pay for any ads. So let's look at these organic keywords. Roof repairs San Antonio. We're still hitting kind of at the bottom of page 1, maybe at the top of page 2 with these rankings right here. But you really want to get on that first page, and especially that 1, 2, and 3 position is really going to see that benefit and that up on, getting those hot leads coming in. So, but roof repairs is a great one to go for. Not everybody's looking for a replacement right off the bat, so that's a big keyword that people are searching for is the repairs. But let's just break it down. What is it saying? So volume is 300 people search this keyword per month. KD, or keyword difficulty, is going to be 24 out of 100. How difficult is it to rank for that keyword? What kind of resources are you going to need, and the time that you're going to need to rank for it? And then if you're going to spend some Google ad dollars, you can average about $20 per click for this buyer intent keyword over here. And we can see, again, you're ranked about number 8 right now, and you had about 15 people visit your website for this one buyer intent keyword just organically. So checking that out, let's look at 2 of your competitors that are in the same area, doing the same thing, trying to rank for the same keywords. We got Elite Roofing. This is one of their back pages, so it's not their main domain. This is just specific to San Antonio roofing. They're also in Dallas and Houston, but they're doing a good job on ranking on Google in San Antonio. So let's check out their website. So again, Ahrefs, we went to Site Explorer, we plugged their website in. We're not looking at their main domain, we're just looking at the San Antonio roofing. And we've got their backlinks, we've got their referring domains, we've got their organic keywords. And look at how many people they got to visit their website without having to pay for ads organically. So that's quite a bit. That's a good number right there. We can check out their organic keywords as well. Roof and Repair San Antonio, they're ranked number 1 instead of number 8, and you can see that difference on how many people are getting over to their website. They got over 100 people with one buyer intent keyword that they're ranking for. So you can see the benefit. I don't know what their conversion rate is on that with who's clicking and who's filling out that information, but they're definitely generating some business and leads with this method. So let's just keep moving along. I want to show you another one, Titan Roofing. They're doing a very good job there in San Antonio. This is just their domain, so it's not a back page. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So let's check out the overview. Again, Site Explorer, gotitans.com. We've got our backlinks that's loading up, our referring domains right here, their organic keywords, and then they had about 880 or over 880 people visit their website, just organically ranking, not paying for advertising. So let's check out the keywords that they're ranking for. This is the big one in the area with the highest volume. It's got 500 people per month searching it. 34 KD, again, that's out of 100, so you've got some competition, but it's not too staunch. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth getting there. When you're ranked number one, you have 130 people visit your website per month. Again, I don't know the conversion rate on what they're converting on that, but they're definitely generating some business and generating leads from that. So another thing we talked a little bit about backlinks, how important it is on ranking. So what I usually do when I open up a new client in an area is, if it's working for someone else, it's going to work for your website as well. So it's easy to back engineer their website. So we can look at, here's all their referring domains, and we can see that mod7.com, they have 650 backlinks from one domain, and then we can just break that down even further and look at the individual backlinks, go find them on the website, and then it's figuring out, hey, what do I need to do to get this link on this website as well? Because again, if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. But back engineering, backlinking profiles is really helpful on getting up to the top. And then once you get all the good backlinks from your competitors, then it's just adding on new ones that they don't have, and that's how you're going to outrank them with backlinks. Another thing worth mentioning, we just mainly talked about, again, the website, but your Google My Business or GMB for your map listing on Google. If someone types in roofing in San Antonio, not only can you hit on that map pack in the top 3, but you can have your website right here. So if someone sees you, boom, boom, right there, you're really going to generate a lot of clicks and a lot of traffic coming over to your assets, your phone numbers, and your emails. And the main difference is when you're ranking your website, it's going to help your GMB, but local citations are also a big factor on that. So local citations are how many times Google can find your company name, your email, your address, and your phone number across the web. So they're going to crawl the web. We're talking about getting on Yelp, Thumbtack, Yellow Pages, even Home Advisor and Angie's List. I don't recommend anyone buying their leads, but using their directory to verify to Google that you're a legit business in the area really helps getting on that map pack. So if customers are seeing your listing twice on that first page, you're really going to see the benefit from getting that phone ringing and sending in those emails. So that's all I'm going to leave it at right there. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. You will see my contact information at the bottom of the email, and y'all stay safe, and we'll talk soon.